Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how I do my bullet journal for each month that I just started. So the first thing I have in my bullet journal is the month of June, and I think it turned out pretty good. But next I have to do July, of course. So I'm just gonna take you guys along on how I'm gonna do this, and yeah, let's just get started. Okay guys, so something I decided that I'm gonna do differently from last time is that I'm gonna be making a July title page, and it'll have a bunch of little July themed drawings around it, because I've seen a lot of other people do that and it seems super fun to make. So now that I've got all of my supplies sort of laid out, I'm going to start thinking of some ideas that I'll be doing for my title page. And I've already went online and saw some other people's, and I'll put some pictures of what I plan to do something similar to. Okay guys, so I was searching for some more ideas for my theme page, and I think I found one that I like, and it's this picnic theme, and I thought it looked super cute and aesthetic, so I'm going to be doing that. So what I ended up making was something a little bit different, but still very similar to the first picture that I showed you, and it's just a picnic blanket with red gingham, I think that's what it's called, and a bunch of cute picnicky foods. And it actually took a long time, but that's okay because I think it turned out good. But one thing that I did forget to add was some grass around the edges, which I wanted to do, but I'm just now realizing that I forgot, but I think it still looks good. Now that I'm done with my actual theme page, next I'm going to just make a calendar off camera because it's not that interesting, but I will show you guys how I end up decorating my calendar. And then here I'll make my to-do lists and things like that. So I just finished making this basic calendar, and now I'm going to design this top strip in a pretty similar way to what I did with my June one, where I just wrote the month and then did some little designs around. So that's what I will be doing. So I just finished making these two simple designs of an American flag and a bomb pop popsicle, because obviously 4th of July is coming. And now I'm going to move on to the to-do list and activities page that I make for myself. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your own bullet journal. And if you liked it, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!